Hi guys, we are in Bacon and Balls. This is Taman Bukit Indah in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I'm trying out this. Looks like it's very good here. A lot of good reviews. Let's dive in. So this place is since 2015, crafted by Jimmy Hoy. We are eating with Howie again, now in KL. The previous one was in Seremban. This is tortilla salmon. Look at the food. It is so nice. Sirloin steak. So our food is here. This is our steak. This is the broccoli soup. So I see you. Bye. Bye. So this is the place, Bacon and Balls. It was a nice dinner. So check out my link up there. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you guys. Bye.